So here we have the Volkswagen Tiguan on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot for the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. So we're on the driving data menu at the moment. So it's all various bits of fuel economy and trip computer information, but there are other menus available to you as well. So assist systems, navigation, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back around to where we started again. At the bottom, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 25,512. And if we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a moment ago are over here. We have stereo controls over here as well, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front's speed. And then over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So you can turn it on and adjust the volume for the stereo with this dial just here. Once it's on, you can see we're on the radio menu at the moment. This car's got DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. And we've got a number of ways we can listen to our own music, as you can see. And they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you can also stream your music wirelessly as well. And once you've paired your phone, that is. So hit the phone button, hit find telephone, and follow the instructions on screen from there. Satellite navigation is accessed in the top right-hand corner, and we've done a video showing how that works that you can find on our website and YouTube channel. Then underneath that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase, decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on. Same button will turn it off again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature that you've asked for, or temperatures, by taking control of the direction of the air and the fan speed itself. Any manual adjustment will override that and allow you to put it back on your own settings here as well. Underneath that, we have some storage, auxiliary input, 2 USB inputs, and a 12-volt charging socket. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake with auto hold function. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn off our stop and start for the vehicle as well. So this car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That turns the system off. And this last button will turn on the autonomous parking. This car is able to park itself. All you have to do is follow the instructions up here by accelerating, braking when it asks you to, and putting it in whatever gear it needs to be in. But ultimately, it will do the steering for you. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.